Today, let's explore the process of splitting combined text into rows and columns using formulas. If you're not comfortable with remembering formulas, don't worry, I'll provide an alternative approach with the help of Copilot. Let's proceed with the demonstration. As you can see, we have a combined data in cell B2. If we zoom on cell B2, we have data like name, year of birth, subject and marks percentage. To split this data into rows and columns, we need to use a split formula. Learning to split combined text into rows and columns is a useful skill, especially for managing data efficiently. Type this formula in cell D4. Text split splits the text into separate parts based on specified delimiters. Substitute character function 34 removes double quotation marks from the text in cell B2. And / concatenates / with double quotation marks to create the delimiter for separating each person's information. Here we have the desired results. With name, year of birth, subject and marks percentage in each separate column. Alternatively, you can simply copy the data from cell B2. Then, navigate to the Copilot option located in the bottom right corner. Input the data into the prompt window with a query, such as split text into rows and columns. Wait a few moments while the Copilot fetches the result. The time it takes may vary depending on your internet speed. Here we go, we have the desired results promptly. All that's left is to copy the generated data and paste it into your Excel sheet. Microsoft Copilot not only delivers results in the prompt window but also offers a ready-to-use Excel sheet with the desired outcomes. This dual functionality enhances usability and versatility, catering to diverse user preferences and needs. Furthermore, you can utilize the Analyze option to swiftly generate informative like pivot tables, bar charts, pivot charts, clustered columns, and much more, expanding your analytical capabilities. Please select the Inserts option to incorporate any desired chart into your Excel sheet. That's all. Hope you found the video interesting. Thank you for watching.